Now, what is my first task? I need to say button. There is a start button, okay, and stop button, okay. Left click on this, Alt Enter, import class. It will automatically import the class. Next, I need to say, okay. Next, what is my next task? I need to integrate that start button of my Java is equal to, there is a button, okay. There is a button in my XML. Find that view by ID r dot id dot r dot id dot. What is my start button? Start button semicolon enter. Next, stop button of Java should be integrated with the XML. So there is a button in XML. Find that button by ID r dot id dot stop button semicolon enter. Correct? Finished? Now, what is my task? Next start. Upon clicking my Java button, stop dot set on click listener. New view should be happen. New view on click listener should be happen. Okay. What should happen there? What should happen there? We don't know. We'll see. Okay. Next. This is start button. Okay. Next. Upon clicking stop button, something should happen. Set on click listener, new view should be happen. Okay, new view on click listener should happen. We don't know. Okay, we need to write. Correct? Is it fine? Finished. Okay, there is a task. Okay, upon clicking start button, 1 2 3 4 it should go. Okay, I'll show you the output, then you will be getting an idea. Okay, I'll show you the output. Okay, I'll show you the output. Share the entire screen. Okay, I'll show you the output. Then you can see. Okay. Fine. See here, you can see the emulator. Start. Upon clicking start, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is going. Stop. Stop means it is not going to 0. Stop where you are. Again start, restart. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like that. Stop. Okay, it's like statue release, statue release. Okay, again start. Again stop. You got the picturization? Yes. Okay, fine. I'll just start with my code. You got the picturization? As how to do it? Okay. Fine. So I'll just share the thing, share the window and your lab file. Okay. Now, upon clicking this, okay, something should happen. What is that something? We don't know what is that thing. Correct? We don't know what is to be done. Okay, but something should be done. We need to display the text view. Okay, we need to display the text view 1 2 3 4. When we need to display, there is a text view, right? Text view. Okay, we have created one counter text. Correct? Counter text we have taken, right? Okay, so that should be integrated. Counter text is equal to, there is a text view in the resource. Find that view by ID r dot id dot. What is the ID which we are given for text view? ID which we are given for text view is this text view. ID we have given as counter. Getting my point? Counter. The same thing we have taken counter. Okay, counter text. Upon clicking the start button, counter should start displaying. Upon clicking stop, counter should stop displaying. Correct? Shall we start? Okay. Now, upon clicking the start button, okay, upon clicking the start button, there is a handler, okay, custom handler, okay, custom handler dot post delayed. I'll just type first. You just understand. You need to handle the situation. Custom handler post delayed. Okay. Then you need to call a method update timer thread. Update timer thread with how many delay seconds? Okay. Comma 0 seconds. Okay, immediately it should start semicolon. Okay, so why this is coming? So I'll just alt enter. It is saying create a local variable custom handler. See here, I need to create handler. Okay, there is a handler called custom handler is equal to new handler. Okay, new handler semicolon. Okay, then why it is coming red mark on update timer thread? Okay, left click on that, alt enter. Okay, it is saying create a local variable. Okay, create a local variable as update timer thread. Update timer thread, it should be a runnable thing, right? It is like your method. So I'm just defining as private final. Okay, because it should be working in stop also, start also. So I'm mentioning as final runnable. Okay, runnable update timer thread is equal to new runnable. Okay, new runnable when it is running. Okay, when it is start running, you need to set the counter text as what? Set the counter text as plus I. Correct? Plus I. See, I. It is saying. Okay, it is showing red mark. Why it is showing red mark? We need to alt enter on that. It will say alt enter on that. Create a local variable. Yes, initially int I should be 1. Okay, int I should be 1 semicolon. Okay, alt enter. One second. Okay. Fine. Okay. Update timer thread is equal to runnable. Finished? Okay. Next. Plus I. Okay. Next. Custom handler dot post delay runnable long delay milliseconds. Post delay this, comma, delay milliseconds should be 1000, semicolon. Okay. Enter I plus plus, semicolon. Okay. Okay. Now, so 1000 milliseconds means 1 second. 1. After 1 second, 2. After 1 second, 3. After 1 second, 4. I plus plus. Okay. It should keep on running. Okay. What if in case? Okay. What if in case while pressing the stop button, custom handler dot, okay, remove calls back, update timer thread. Okay, update timer thread. So this is like custom handler dot post delayed dot update timer thread, comma 0, semicolon. Okay. Now, so removes the call back upon start, upon stop. Okay. So there is, okay. So why it is getting the symbol? Okay. Private. Okay, fine. So it is making this, removing this, private. Okay. Understood? Why I am starting this? Started, post delay, update a timer thread. So it is coming here. What is the mentioning in this method? I am telling that it is run, start running, counter text set test is equal to plus I. What is the initial I? I is 1. Okay, 1. After 1 seconds, 2. After 1 second, 3, 4, 5, 6. Run. Until when stop is called. When stop is called, it will say removes the callback, update timer thread. It removes the callback. Whatever it is running, it removes. Whatever it is running, it will post a delay with 1000 milliseconds. That is 1 second. Okay. Upon start this procedure, upon stop this procedure. Okay. So in this runnable update timer, you are telling that counter text is equal to plus I, that is 1, I plus plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a delay seconds of 1000 milliseconds. Got my point? Shall I run? Okay, it is launching the program. In meanwhile, I'll just share entire screen so that my emulator also visible to you along with the program. Okay. Now, lab 5 counter application start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Again start. It is starting from 10, 11, 12 because plus I have defined. Okay. Even you can use pause. Stop means again 0. I is equal to 0. Okay. update the timer as 0. Correct? See here. I'll just mention like this. Okay. Stop means counter text dot set text as 0. Okay. Shall I proceed? But as per your question, they are told that it should continue. Okay. Start. Stop. Stop. See, again it is running. Okay. As per your requirement, you need to continue that. Okay. Next. I'll just read this question once again. Okay. There is a question here. There is an emulator here. Okay. There is a program there. Okay. All in one. Now, I'll just zoom it. Zoom minus. Okay. Next. And I can't read. Still more minus. Okay. So I'll just write a program to create an activity with 2 buttons, start and stop. Okay, 2 buttons are there, start and stop. How it is gone? How it has happened? It happened like this. Design. I'll go with this. Okay. I added 2 buttons. Next. On pressing start button, the activity must start the counter by displaying the numbers from 1. From 1. It is not saying from 0. Okay. From 0 means you can, what you need to do? You need to say int I is equal to 0. Okay. So it is saying from 1. So I just made int I is equal to 1. Upon clicking start, what should happen? It should display the numbers. Update timer thread. Update timer thread, what I am doing? Counter text set text. Custom handler. You need to keep on running new runnable with a difference of delay of 1000 milliseconds, that is 1 second. I plus plus 1, after 1 second 2, after 1 second 3, after 1 second 4, after 1 second 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep on going until when? Okay, until when? So it is clearly telling until when. Okay, until the counter must keep on counting until the stop button is pressed. Okay, stop button is pressed. Stop button is pressed. Until stop button is pressed, it should keep on running. Okay, now see my emulator. Start button. It is keep on running. When it is clicking on the stop, it is stopping. Again starting. Is that fine? Clear? So this is your 5th lab program. Okay, 5th lab program. I'll stop recording.